So today we're here at the Tallahassee Fire Department's training ground, which is at our Station 4, and we're going to demonstrate to you what will happen if you do not follow the proper safety tips when you're operating one of these oil cookers to fry a turkey in, and you're getting ready to see what can happen if you do not follow those tips. When you use any kind of items, whether it be a grill or one of these cookers, have a fire extinguisher close by and understand how to use it. It's pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep if you were to have a fire, and make sure it is the proper fire extinguisher to put out flammable liquids. We also want to remind citizens as well that using this hot oil with a propane burner, emergencies can happen. So if a fire does start due to oil coming out, do not try to move the pot. Moving the pot will slosh the oil around, it can cause a serious burn, and it'll also spill, and the flammable liquid could also spread the fire very quickly. So if you do have a fire, call 911 immediately for the fire department to respond, and if you have that fire extinguisher, get it a safe distance, use the PASS acronym, pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep at the base of the fire, and then move away to a safe distance.